Right, so a lot of these shops apparently are closing down by the looks of it, because they've got this shop just here. I mean, there's so much potential, guys and girls, in Nailsea at the moment. Like all these shops, I mean, there's a couple that are closed today due to like early shopping, but this is part of the main town area. We've got some lovely benches down here, and look on there, got a few second-hand shops there as well. Closed early. Actually, Greg's is actually quite nice. I like the food there. Just had a couple of the sausage rolls today, guys and girls. But anyway, thing is, what we need to do now is to get the Nailsea town up together. I mean, fortunately now, they could put a McDonald's just here. We could have like a McDonald's here, and maybe like another coffee shop just there. And then we've got some other shops which are for let as well. Could probably do, or maybe we could do this as a game shop or something, and have like video games in there and DVDs and all that kind of goodness and all goodies and stuff. Or maybe like we used to have in Weston, but that got closed down. We used to have a game shop. We used to have game station, electronic arts and all that kind of stuff. We used to have Pink Planet in Weston as well. So what they could do is bring some of those local shops, the ones they used to have years gone back, maybe bring them back. Or maybe actually they could do like a small version of Blockbusters here and all that, like an old place. Bring back Blockbusters and like rent DVDs and stuff out. That would be quite cool. But anyway, guys and girls, Western, I don't want to say Western, I keep getting in that sort of Western still thing. This is Nailsea Library. This is the sort of, I wouldn't say it's a big place, but it's big enough, I mean, for a library in Nailsea, in the town centre area. And then we've got the, like, obviously they've got all the flags out for this weekend's Jubilee. Royal Jubilee. Then we've got some of these, like, got the town centre, goes all the way down, the shops all the way over there, all the way around. We've got Pound Shop just here, Poundland I should say. We've got M&Co, we've got like loads of cafes and a few cafes down there. There's a carpet shop down the town centre down there as well, just around the corner there. And also we've got Boots there as well, and we've got a Superdrug here as well, and a Waitrose, and a big massive supermarket Waitrose down there, so that's pretty cool. And there's like a car park over this way, so we've got a nice car park over there, so it's pretty alright. And then it says here Somerset Square, that's what they're calling it, Somerset Square, Nailsea Centre and Reflexon. Yeah, guys and girls, welcome back. It is Sunday. Just actually went out and about in Nailsea today, so went to the local pub around the corner there. I think it's the local Weatherspoon, something called the Glass. I'm in the actual town centre right now. And I had a vegan burger around the corner in that pub area for Sunday today. And then we've got the local town centre, goes all the way, and Waitrose to the left of us, just over the side. So that's pretty cool. And they got like a local pub over there as well, called Coates House. Then they've got, don't know what this is, like quite a few shops around here. It's more like, this is probably like I would say like a village of some like a shopping village. It's pretty cool. We're in June as well, 2022 at the time of the video. Waitrose, I think, closes about 5 o'clock on a Sunday, so it's a lot better than the Sainsbury's times. We've got PDSA there. I think all the local shops though, the normal shops are closed on Sundays. So yeah, anyway, guys and girls, They got like local seats there as well. It's today, I think it's Tuesday today. Is it Tuesday? Yeah, I think it's Tuesday today. Was it Monday? No, actually, no, it can't be Tuesday, can it? No, Monday. So it's actually Monday already. Actually, Monday the 6th already. Jesus, I thought it was Tuesday already, but I forgot because it was Sunday yesterday. Anyway, so I'm at the train station. At the train station there. And I've got a train station that side as well. A Western Supermare. And I should rinse it off. So I'm actually heading back probably around time is it now? It is, I shall tell you what time it is. It is 7:23. I'm supposed to get the train around about 7:40 odd back to Weston. So I've got my train sort of, but it's like peak hours. How's it? There we go. But anyway, so been having a lot of pain and stuff at the moment lately, like walking wise, and it's like really been struggling to get up the stairs and stuff, especially the stairs up here, because I had to go over to the other bloody platform and all that. So I've got over it, and then I come back over, and I've got to walk back over in a minute. It's going to be a struggle, but I don't know, it's like I just went to Tesco's. Tesco's is across the road, so I just walked all the way over there into town as well. And when I walked into town, I met my two brothers up there, because I actually phoned them out and said, "Oh, do you want to meet up and stuff?" And my one brother is like in one of these care homes. So I wouldn't say it's care homes, more of he could go out and about anytime he wants and stuff. So it's just gone 7 o'clock. So I actually left the house, I think, about 4 o'clock. And then the train ticket, I was on the train and they didn't have the ticket man, so I had to basically pay it at the office here. But lucky I got the return ticket, so that's a good thing on that. But anyway, I will be doing some more videos, probably in a bit, of me struggling up the bloody stairs and stuff. I get a bit screechy in it. And then get the other platform over. To the other side. Because I think mine's at like 7:47, so that's another 17 minutes to go. Now I've got the big stairs to tackle. I got the trains, so the other side. Jesus Christ. Well, it's going to be easier going down now. Well, I hope. What's my step? That's a screechy sound. Very screechy. You can still hear it screeching down the track. Anyway, guys and girls, almost done. It is the 6th today, guys and girls, of June. Anyway, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next episode. Cheers for watching.